Okay, let's look at an example where we drop an object off a cliff. So here's a person, and they're going to drop this little ball off the edge of a cliff. And what we want to find out is a few things. So the first thing we want to know is, what will its speed be after a time of 2 seconds? Okay. Now that doesn't seem like a lot of information, but in fact, because we've been told he drops it off a cliff, we're going to assume this is Earth. So when he drops it, its initial velocity will be 0 meters per second, and because it's Earth, gravity will be 10 meters per second squared. Now, V, U, and A are all vectors, and with vectors, direction is important. Now, in this case, everything's going to be going downwards. Okay, the ball's dropped, it will begin to fall downwards. Gravity, which is producing this acceleration, always acts downwards. So therefore, for this whole question, I would say I'm going to take the direction of down to be positive for all my vectors. And it's very important we decide that before we start this question. Then if I want to know what V is after 2 seconds, I just use my equation. V equals U plus AT. And V equals 0 plus 10 times 2. The velocity will be 20 meters per second. If I want to work out the displacement after 2 seconds, or how far it's fallen after 2 seconds, I can use the equation S equals U plus V divided by 2 times T. S equals 0, the initial velocity, plus 20, we just worked out as the final velocity, divided by 2 times the time, which is 2. That gives us an average velocity of 10 meters per second times the 2, tells us it will fall a distance of 20 meters in this case. Now, if we look at it, downwards is positive. Our answer for V here was positive, therefore that tells us the object is moving downwards. The velocity is downwards. The displacement came out as being positive, so that tells us it is also in a downwards direction.